Okay, inside out toys and surprise eggs. I'm going to go right for a big one. I'm going to go right for the biggest one. Let's see what we got here. Wow, it's Joy! Yay! Put your dress down, Joy. Oh, look. She talks.
Be positive. Come on, group hug. Another perfect day. I've got a great idea. Ha ha! We made it.
Okay. Let's see what else we got. Jingles the Clown. Put him up there. Let's look at a big one here. Elsa from Frozen made an appearance. Hi, Elsa. Wonder if any of your friends are here. Let's look at one of the surprise presents. All right. Oh, it's Sadness. She's so sad. Put her right there. Moping around. What do you have to say about that, Joy?
Be positive.
Be positive.
Come on, group hug.
Group hug. All right. Come on, Mr. Jingles. Put you down here. Let's open another surprise present. Ooh, it's a necklace. Wow, it's got a button on it. Wow, it lights up. I'll give you that necklace, Joy. Put you over here. See what's in the golden egg. What is that? What is that? Look, it's got a string on it. Let's pull the string and see what it is. Whoa! Yay! It's a party popper! Did that cheer you up, Sadness? Nope, she's still moping around. Let's see what's in this one. Disgust. Disgust. Poor Disgust. You can sit there with Sadness. Let's see what's in this toy box. It's a present. It's a little Joy! Oh, we dropped her! Joy, let's put you right here with these guys. I want you to look right at them and cheer them up. Because we're having fun here. Let's see what's in this one. It's Peppa Pig! Hooray! Yay! Peppa! There you go, Peppa. Let's see what's over here in this big yellow egg. Ooh, it's Anna! Elsa, your friend is here. Elsa and Anna from Frozen. Now we need a group hug.
Another perfect day.
Olaf! Yay! Olaf! The whole gang from Frozen.
I've got a great idea.
It's Baymax! Yay, from Big Hero 6! Put you there, Baymax. Let's see what's in the last surprise box. It's Bing Bong! Bing Bong the elephant from Inside Out. Let's see what we got here. It's the train. The train of thought. Let's see what's in this polka dot one. Oop, got her backwards. Who is that, Paula? I think that's Paula. The forgetter, Paula. She works at the memory dump. Get rid of those bad memories and bad ideas. Rainbow unicorn. That's the star of Riley's dreams. Let's see what's in this one. It's George, Peppa's little brother. Let's see. it open. It's another Baymax. This time he's in a suit. He's in a superhero costume. It's the mind worker cop. Jake. I think his name's Jake, isn't it? Yeah, I think his name is Jake. He's the mind worker cop. He's got his little cop hat on. Fear. It's Fear. Poor Fear. We'll put you over here with the rest of the emotions. It's in this shiny egg. It's a ball, a bouncy ball. It says smile. Smile, Jesus loves you. All right. Put that right there. That's important stuff. It's a bracelet. It says dream. Dream. And there's the unicorn, rainbow unicorn that's in Riley's dreams. See what's in this? It's got Mater on it. Has Mater on it. Candy! Hooray! That'll make you smile. What do we have here? Anger. Oh no. We'll put him here with the rest of the emotions. Hey, that's all 5 of them now. We have anger, sadness, disgust, fear, and most importantly, joy. Joy's the most important one right there. She can keep everybody else cheered up. Right, Joy?
Ha ha! We made it!
All right. Oh, and the wagon! That was very important. They had to go find that wagon. The song-powered imaginary wagon. Put it right there. Sorry about that, Fear. Is that all? Oh no, look, we have one big one left. It's Disgust. Disgust. Everybody's favorite. Her little smirk. Well, that's it, everybody. That's all the surprise eggs and surprise boxes for Inside Out this go-round. But every day is like Christmas here at Slap Happy, so check back in. We'll be opening more presents and eggs every day. Bye-bye.